This is how you can place some UI, how to distribute all the elements as you like in horizontal distribution or vertical. In this video, we are going to do a new exercise. Let's start reading the description. So this app will display some social media posts with 3 it's okay. Each post will include user's photo, user's name, the time since the post was published, the text of the post, and the image of the post. Okay. This data is just local data. We will put the text ourselves manually, and the same for the images. We are not going to download anything or something like that. We just need to work with the UI elements and with the views. Okay. So if you want the images, you can download them from here. They are just 3 profile images and 3 random images for the posts. So if you go to the solution, you can see that this is what we want to do. Yeah, as you can see, this doesn't fit the screen, so it will have some scroll. So let's start from the beginning. The first step is to import the images. Okay, if you download the file or you just select your own images, you will have here 6 images, as I mentioned. So if we go to our project that we already created, you need to go to Assets folder and then just drag the images here. Okay, they will keep the name of the file. So if we want to load some of these images, we just need to use the name that it's assigned. All right. So yeah, let's start creating one of the posts, and then when we have the first one created and everything is okay, we will just copy paste and we'll change all the data. So we're going to put everything in a VStack, all right, because we are going to have user info and the date at the top, and then below will be the text, and then below will be the image. So let's check again the screenshot, because as you can see here, the user image, the name, and the date, they are placed horizontally. So we are going to use HStack in order to put these elements, and that will be an image that we will use the user one image. But as you can see, it takes all the screen, so we need to resize this image. Before setting the size of this or the frame, we need to say that it's going to be resizable. Okay. Then we can set the width and the height of the image. That will be 32. Then I will make the image round. With a circle shape. So we can do this with a corner radius of the half of the size. This will make any shape just rounded or as a circle. Then last thing is that as you can see, the image is a bit like stretched. So let's assign an aspect ratio just to keep the correct aspect ratio of the image. Okay, next step, we just add the name. As I said, this is just something we add manually because we only want to check all the UI elements. 5 hours ago will be okay. So as you can see, all these 3 elements are together, so we want some space between the name and the date. So we can add here a spacer. And so finally, for this top element of the post, let's just customize a bit the text. This can be a headline, and for this we can change the the color and the font to make it smaller. So as you can see, this is just in the border of the screen. So I want to put some space between the border and my elements, but we are going to do this for the whole post. So we are going to do it to the VStack. So here we can put some padding, the default one. So we will take some space, so it will look better. Then the next step is to add the post text that will be here, and then the image of the post that will be, just to follow the same example, it will be the party one. And then the text, I will copy it from here. And the image will be party, all right? So going back to the project, I will paste the text and use party image. So for this image, it's the same. We need to resize 300 and 100 is fine. And no, sorry, we are going to put only the 8. And the width will be automatic. It will take the whole width. Also some corner radius. This time instead of a circle, I will just round a bit the corners. And yeah, basically this is it. Just one last detail. The same we did with the user image. We are going to set an aspect ratio here, because maybe it's not appreciable, but it's a bit stretched as well. All right. So yeah, here we have our first post. If we are happy with it, we can just copy this and paste below and paste below. So now we are going to change the data, but before that, we can see that this is not, it's not fitting the screen. It's outside of the screen. So we can just put all this content inside a scroll view. So this should take the 3 posts. So it will be here, until here. So as you can see now, if we play, we can scroll our content. All right. So yeah, just need to change the data. Let's copy it from the example. So the name will be Sofia. The image is the second one. This is was nature. No, this is family. And then the last one. Remove the quote. All right, this is nature. Sorry. Here. Nature, family, user 3, Alejandro. And yeah, I think I changed. Well, anyway, user 1, Valeria. Yeah, I just changed the order, but it's okay. I put here party and it will work. So we have Sofia that had a good day in family. Valeria went to a party, and then Alejandro enjoyed a day in nature. So yeah, this is it. this is how you can place some UI, how to distribute all the elements as you like in horizontal distribution or vertical. And of course, all these elements are placed here like manually instead of loading these dynamically. But yeah, as I said, we just want to review our knowledge about all these elements. So in the upcoming articles, you will learn how to load this dynamically and load that data from some database or from a remote server, right? So I hope it helped you, and goodbye.